Before the Second Vatican Council, kung usapan tungkol sa liturgia wasn't at all static. There had already been a century-long liturgical movement. Ito ay not really an organized movement, but rather it's kalat kumbaga sa simbahan na mayroong strong sense na dapat nating i-actualize at mas isabuhay yung spirituality ng liturgy. So it started sa mga monasteries, no? The Benedictine monk like Dom Prosper Geranger. I think he was the abbot of the monastery of Solesmes. Sa kanila yan nagsimula nung una, and then later on kumalat ng kumalat, and then hanggang dumating sa mismo hierarchy ng simbahan, no? So by the early 20th century, you now have, for example, Pius X. Pope Pius X encouraged frequent communion and active participation, which the council, the Sacrosanctum Concilium, will be aampunin nila itong call na ito for active participation, no, yung actus sa participatio, no?